Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and removing surprises. Get a confirmed key code or host OK and double-check any house rules. Once done, pack a compact kit, charger, small flashlight, ID, and about $20 so you can move confidently. Make sure to pick a quiet arrival window aligned with low traffic hours or staff shift gaps because timing controls opportunities here. Then approach the space calmly. Small, deliberate actions keep you unnoticed while setting up the conditions you need to find the nugget. You proceed by dividing the location into manageable zones and committing 5 to 7 focused minutes per zone. Once you enter a zone, sweep top to bottom. Check shelves, vents under cushions, and inside drawers or appliances. Small items hide in tight seams. Make sure to watch for cues, fresh dust patterns, slightly displaced items, or odd gaps, because they point to recent activity or hidden compartments. Keep notes on your phone as you go, then move methodically to the next zone without backtracking unnecessarily. You finish by rechecking the high-probability spots with tools. A small mirror, bright LED, and a thin probe will reveal hidden edges or cavities. If you encounter a locked compartment or barrier, stop and use the agreed backup method or contact the host rather than forcing anything. That preserves access and trust. If you still haven't found the nugget, pause and reassess timing and patterns, because rushing makes you miss subtle hides. And remember one troubleshooting tip. Step back, change light angle, and try from the opposite side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.